Today we're going to review the Insignia dual burner induction cooktop. And here's the top of the box. And here's the side with the picture. And it's a 24-inch built-in induction cooktop. So you can use it on your countertop, or if you cut a hole in your counter, you can drop it in and have it like a cooktop. And inside your box you'll find a dual range induction cooker, and this is like a glass material and everything is smooth. Even the buttons are, looks like touch buttons. And you also get your user guide and instruction manuals. Here is the back side of the induction cooker, and also you can see the power cord is just a regular 120 volt plug. So you don't need to get any special outlets, just use your regular outlet. And here's the specs of it. One requirement of the induction cooker is that the pan must be magnetic. So if it's not magnetic, it will not work. So to check, you can try a magnet, and you see it's not sticking. So this pan will most likely not work. This pan is meant for induction, and you see it's magnetic. So this pan will work. So if you try to cook on this pan that does not work, the cooker will start beeping after a few seconds. And you see the U. That means it's not the right type of pan. This pan, because it's induction or it's magnetic, will work. So you see, it stays on the power. So to see how quickly the induction cooks, we'll use about 2 cups of ice water. See ice in there? And then we'll set our temperature to max, which is 10. And you can see that the ice cubes are starting to melt. And it's about 30 seconds. And you can start seeing the steam form on the sides, and the ice is almost completely melted in about a minute or so. And the water is starting to slowly reach a boil right now. It's about a minute and a half. The ice is completely melted. And you can see the steam's already forming on the pan. It'll probably boil faster if you put a lid on it. And in about 3 minutes, the water's boiling. So the nice thing about the induction cooktop is that it does not get hot. The pan gets hot, but the counter doesn't get hot itself. So I can touch it. And just be careful of this part because the pan was sitting on it, but it should be cool to the touch after about a minute or so. See? So the pan is now cooling down because I turned off the power. And let's set it on again. And at 5 you can have it simmer without burning your food. So some of the adjustments you have are temperature, which is the temperature, you can change it. Your heat, which is just by numbers. And timer is how long you want it to cook. Since this is a completely flat cook surface, it is really easy to clean. All you need is just to get dish towel to just wipe down any messes and any fingerprints. So the nice thing about it is that you will not heat up your kitchen when you're cooking, especially during the summer. And my only recommendation is make sure you get an induction capable pan or pot. That's the only requirement for these induction cookers. So enjoy!